Hello fish fools, Jeff here. So I was just scanning through this cluster of floating plants here, floating atop my 40-gallon aquarium, and I spotted the fry right there. That is the first fry I spotted in this tank since I added fish to it, or I'm waiting to, there it is, get some fry going. So this is my 40-gallon breeder aquarium. This is the replacement tank from my 30-gallon. And I have gradually added some fish to it, so all the fish in here are live bearers. Started with just this one platy. That was the one platy that was left over in the 30-gallon when it was like less than an inch of water, just in little puddles, and it's miraculously survived. I didn't even know it was still alive in there. Then I gradually added some more fish. The blue platy right here, blue female platy, and a couple guppies, and then some more platies and guppies. And there's already a bunch of neocaridina shrimp. But I've been kind of scanning through the tank, expecting to see some fry. Like here in the middle, this pile of rocks with Java fern growing on it. Haven't spotted any fry. There might be some in between the rocks. It's not as much Java moss in here yet. I'm hoping this clump will kind of recover. It already looks like it is. Looks like it's more green. But this is what was dried up, like out of the water when it was, what was left from my 30-gallon. But like when this was my 30-gallon, all these plants and everything were in the 30-gallon. It was really bushy with the Java moss at the time, and there was a lot of hiding places for fry. But anyway, yeah, there it is. Got one right there, so I'm not even sure if that's a guppy or a platy. Hard to tell. I mean, it might be a blonde guppy, or it could be a fry of the red-tail Dalmatian platies, because those look kind of pinkish. Yeah, pretty awesome. And that's just the one that I spotted. Hopefully there's more. And I'd really like to get some fry out of that from that blue female. I'd love to get some more blue platies and just kind of gene mixing. There's only one male platy in here right now, and that's one of the red-tailed Dalmatian platies. I think this is the male. Yeah, right there. So right now he has all the females all to himself. But eventually I will add more fish in here, some more community fish like corydoras, and the pair of gouramis, dwarf gouramis that I got recently that are in a quarantine tank will be moving in here. Some neon tetras. But I want to let some of the live bearers have babies and give them the fry a better chance to survive before I start adding more community fish in here. There's a lot going on with all my aquariums and things going on. I've been saying it, but the 84 gallon is getting closer. It is at my local fish store. Right now it's looking like next week when I'll be able to make arrangements to pick it up and bring it home, and that's going to be awesome. But yeah, that among many things going on, so stay tuned to this channel, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. There'll be lots of updates of what's going on. Cool aquariums, cool fish. Alright. Well, that's it for now. And remember, I'm Jeff, and I enjoy fishies. Thanks for watching.